Okay, so I'm gonna be trying this special vacuuming video again because my other one that I've deleted didn't turn out very good because for some reason the video turned out to be upside down for some reason, which I am not exactly sure why. So hopefully YouTube would fix this inconvenience. So yeah, I am gonna be doing some color changing lights in the background. I do have them set a little bit differently. You know, that's more like a fading color instead of like a changing color and a blinking stuff. So, and I also got this black light right here. So, and I got the Kirby right here. That'll clean the rest up after this. So yeah, let me set this on a tripod and hopefully this will turn out better. So, I mean, I know the video quality isn't probably gonna be as good as the previous one, but you know that's how it is, so I'm sorry about that. But you know, this is the best that it is for a video to be right side up. So yeah, um, here we go. And I will go slow in case you guys want to see the duck fly around. So here we go. So there you have it, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. So please hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming out soon. And again, I do apologize for having to delete videos after one I recently uploaded because again for some reason the video turned out to be upside down. So hopefully this won't. But if it is, then yeah, I'm sorry about that. So yeah, hopefully I can figure this out and see why it keeps turning out to be upside down videos as soon as I post and stuff. So yeah. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon.